Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you watched the first video, we covered Bandit levels 0 to 4 and learned how to connect using SSH, read files, and deal with tricky file names and hidden files. In this video, we're going to continue with levels 4 to 7 and start working with file types, searching through directories, and using one of the most powerful Linux tools, the find command. So let's jump back in. Alright, let's log into Bandit again. Just like before, I'll use the SSH command, change the username to Bandit4, and paste in the password we got from the last level. We can see a bunch of files, but we don't know which one has the password. The hint says the password is in a human-readable file. In Linux, not all files are text. Some are binary. So instead of opening each one blindly, we'll use a command called file. We can use the asterisk to pass all the files in current directory as input to our file command. Did you notice? What did we do wrong here? If you watched our last video, we learned how to handle file names starting with a dash. Let's try again. And there we have it. Only one file with ASCII text. Others are binary files. Let's copy the password. We can use reset command to reset terminal state. All right, moving on. On level 5, we have the password for level 6, somewhere under the in here directory, in a file that is human readable, 1033 bytes in size, and not executable. Here, we're going to use a very useful command called find. Let's have a look. In a file 1033 bytes in size, the dash executable flag finds files that are executable. We can use an exclamation before it to find files that are not executable. The dash exec flag allows us to run a command on each file we find. So we can run the file command to find the human readable file. The curly braces represent the file we found. Then we use a plus to mark the end of the command. And there's the password for level 6. In level 6, there's no in here directory. The password file is somewhere in the server, and it is owned by user Bandit 7, group Bandit 6, and 33 bytes in size. The / represents the root directory. Oh, we got many permission denied errors, which is understandable since we do not have permission to view all the files in the server. In Linux, we can use greater than sign to redirect standard output to a file. Standard errors we can redirect using to and greater than sign. In Linux, anything sent to /dev/null file discarded. It's like a black hole. And now we have only the standard output without errors. One more thing I want to tell you about before we end this video. If you forgot what flags to use with your commands or want to know more about a command, you can use the command man, stands for manual, followed by the command like find. You can navigate down the pages with spacebar and up with W key. Quit with Q key. You can also search for the web version. And that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll start working with text processing tools like grep, sort, and unique. If you're learning along with me, feel free to subscribe and join the journey. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you in the next level.